What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. It's been a while since I've uploaded on this channel. Just been hard at work doing all that stuff and trying to keep safe during this whole pandemic. Anyways, today I'm going to be installing a short shifter because this one is like your mum's old sloppy Joe soup from the 1985. So, Cubespeed short shifters sent me a sick package. They've sponsored me pretty much, sort of like an affiliate sponsorship sort of thing. I get like a discount, a good discount, and they sent me some other free stuff as well, like this billet shift knob, and they get to go on my livery and you know, do a bunch of cool things with me, and so hopefully I can go up and meet them soon and drive with them and do some cool stuff after the pandemic's over. But anyways, let's get into it. They sent me this awesome package. It just comes all bubble wrapped and super nice. Like, this came in a nice bag and then in a second bag, and there's just so many adjustments and awesome things in here. So I'll open it all up and show you guys what it's like. Before I get into it, actually, I just want to show you how much throw this stock shifter has with just a small GK Tech bushing in it. So that's first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now, I'll do the same thing when I put the new shifter in, and then I'll do like a side-by-side comparison to show you guys exactly what it is. If you're wondering what comes in the box, you get this nice rubber seal, a few springs to set settings and all that stuff, a few bolts for bolting it up and putting all the adjustments and the actual thing together, some bushings. This I'm not quite sure on yet. Obviously I'll get into it when I start getting into details and actually installing it. Some more adjustment brackets and all that stuff. And then we have one of the plates and then a second plate, and then the shifter goes like through them. We have part of the shifter here and another part of the shifter here as well, and just again, look how nice they come. Comes in a foam and then glad wrapped up. It's just awesome quality here. Also, under all that stuff, you get stickers and a nice set of instructions here. This isn't going to be an install video or how to install video as such. If you guys really want one, just leave a comment down below, and if I get enough comments and all that stuff on this video, I'll definitely make another one and you know, make a really nice how-to guide and narrate it properly and do all the correct shots and all that stuff. This is more of a showing you what it is and how good the actual shifter is, and showing you how much less throw it gives you and how tight and nice it makes the gearbox feel. So here's a little tip for anyone doing a new bushing on the end of their shifter, or it is the new short shifter that gets a bushing as well. All you do is dunk the tip into some grease, some wheel bearing grease, and then you just put it on like that, and then you just push, or sometimes you can hammer the top and it just goes plop and just slides in so much better. And obviously it's greased up a little bit for when you're shifting and throwing it around. Alrighty guys, so I am this far into it. The bottom half of the shifter is done. So I'm going to continue tomorrow when I get some more light because it's going dark. But so far this is smooth sailing, pretty easy install. The instructions are actually really good. So I don't even think I'll need to make that tutorial video, but still, again, it is nice to seeing someone actually do it and explain it, because sometimes instructions can be a bit annoying, and it's more of a visual thing for some people anyway. So yeah, I'm going to continue with it tomorrow and smash it out, and let's see how good this shifts. Just a little bit of appreciation. This is a quality product. Look at this, guys. This billet, so nice. They've got their logo there. It's just so nice, and just the screws and all the quality is just awesome. I'd really highly recommend getting this kit. Alright guys, it is the next day. I just put a few bolts in last night to try and see if I get a little bit closer to finishing the install, and this is what it looks like. Got some of the shifting knob on and whatnot. Still got a few more bolts to do up and to adjust this so it's got less play in it and all that good stuff. So I'm going to get into that and then show you guys what it's like. I've already given it a bit of a test, and it's... So right now, It's feeling pretty good, but it does have a bit of up and down play like that. And so what I have to do is just loosen these grub screws again, tighten these, and tighten then the grub screws back up, and it gets it all nice again. And then I can play with it around that and get a happy medium between up and down and no binding when I'm trying to go through gears. So hopefully that works. Alright guys, I've got that all fixed. I had a couple of brackets down there flipped upside down, and I just went back through the instructions, reread, made sure I was doing it all right. So it is now time to put this nice billet cover on here. Just gonna put like 6 screws in, and then I can start putting it all back together, put the shift knob on, and show you guys the final piece, and a side-by-side clip and all that stuff. It's gonna be sick. Second final piece to the puzzle, the surrounding console part. Oh, this wants to behave. Woo! What a catch. Just adding the final touches, guys. Short shifter is on, the gear knob's on. There's one thing about it that I need to fix, which is the logo is facing like away from me, which is annoying. There is a fix to it. I'm just waiting for the guys from Cubespeed to get back to me on how to do it. But look at it. Let me just tighten that up real quick. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Anyways, look at this. Compared to the old sloppy Joe, look at this. This is neutral, just like barely any play. First, barely any. Second, third, fourth, fifth. Shit, it's so much better. I'm just gonna film a clip by itself, put a comparison next to the old sloppy Joe one, and you guys will be blown away by how good this is. So that's first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Alrighty guys, that's the end of the video. Just before I let you guys go, I just hit 2,000 subscribers on this channel and on my gaming channel. I can't thank you enough for supporting me, subscribing, and watching these videos that I put out for you guys to watch, and hopefully it entertains you and I make you laugh and have a, you know, make you guys have a good day or whatever, or a night. And you know, during this lockdown shit, it's pretty hard if you're not going to school or you're just stuck at home working. It's been pretty good for me. I'm a builder, so I still get to go to work, but we just went into stage 4 lockdown, so I don't think I'll be working at all. So hopefully I can start pumping out some videos and start doing more stuff. I've got wheels for the Hilux, so that video's in the works as well. Just need to get some tires for it, and even maybe a lift to, you know, to make the video a bit more spicy. If you've been here from the start, thank you so much. If you have, just let me know down in the comments. That's awesome. But if you're new, please leave a comment. Let me know what else you want to see on the channel. You know, drift car, Hilux, or, you know, just whatever really. I can do some Assetto Corsa because I will be at home playing games all day and working on the car. And again, I can't thank Cubespeed shifters enough. If you go and buy one, drop my name and say that you are, you know, seeing this from my channel and whatnot. And you know, message them on Instagram. They're very helpful. The support team's awesome. It's just 2 guys, a husband and a wife, and they're just awesome. I can't thank them enough. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.